Example 26. A triangular prism with side of base 30 mm and axis 55 mm long lies on one of its faces on HP such that its axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections. So here again we have a triangular prism of base side 30 mm and axis side 55 mm. And here the interesting fact is that it is lying on one of its faces. Since it is a prism, it will have rectangular faces. So one of the rectangular faces of this triangular prism will be on the HP, and as this is a triangular prism, it will have three rectangular faces. So we have to make one of the rectangular face on the HP, and we have to tilt the axis at an inclination of 45 degree, because it is mentioned here that its axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So be careful. Now we have to tilt the top view because the angle of inclination is given with respect to VP. Now we will see how to imagine this first. Now I will make this triangular prism to rest with its face on the HP. Now you see that if I place this in the first quadrant, it will lie on its face now because it is now being horizontal. Axis is horizontal, but the angle is given with respect to VP. So first we will tilt this axis of triangular prism at the given angle with respect to VP. So you can see now on your screen, I will rotate this a little bit. Let us say this is the angle at which it is tilted. So when you see it from the front, it will look like this. So first I will place this prism in the first quadrant for more clarity. Now you see that I have placed the triangular prism in the first quadrant. Wait a minute, we will view this from this perspective. Now this is going to be your final front view. Just uh, so when you see this from the top, now this is going to be a rectangle but inclined to xy line. For drawing this, we will first assume that it is perpendicular, so we will see a triangle straight, but here actually it is inclined. And when coming to our front view, we will see something like this from the front. Just wait a minute, this is the top view only. So when you view it from the front, it will look something like this: a contracted rectangle and a triangle. So we will see now how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
As we are assuming first that it is resting on the face on the horizontal plane, and the inclination is given to the vertical plane, so we have to assume that the VP. So this would be 30, and this itself would be the XY line. Again, I am drawing an equilateral triangle. This is the easiest way. I am just taking one arbitrary point. This is your XY line, and this is 55 height. And also for this question, this edge is also visible. Uh, this I am drawing with the 2H pencil because this is not the solution. Now, when we come to the solution part, the angle is given with respect. So this top view will be tilted here, as we have already seen also. So first I have to mark the angle 45 degrees. As its axis was inclined at 45 degree, I am marking the angle here, axis line here, and I need to just redraw this triangle here. For this reason, I need to measure its dimensions. Dimension would be 30. Obviously it would be 30, because if this is 30, this would be 30. So it can be easily drawn, but first we have to match this angle with the drafter, and then we can draw this from anywhere. Observe that the number 15 mm is in line with the axis line, so that 15 mm will be here, 15 mm will be here, and I can draw this with the H pencil because this is the answer. This is 55, again 30 mm. This completes our top view. To get the front view, you need to project lines from here and lines from here. As we have seen that the front view contains two contracted triangles, but this triangular base is visible and this is not completely visible. So I will draw this completely first, this triangle with the head pencil. This means this point, and this point will form one triangle, and this point, and this point will form. If you are confused, just mark 1, 2, 3 here, so that it will become 1 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash. So if we have tilted this point is coming here, this is your 2 dash, this is 3 dash, this is 1 dash. Again, if you match 1 with the 1 here, 1, 2 with the 2 dash, 3 with the 3 dash, you will get this point. Similarly here. So this portion is visible from the front. So this will come completely, and one of these edges visible but not the other one, because this is behind. So we need to draw this with the dotted lines, and then we can join this figure. So front view and top view is completed now. For the dimensioning part, there are only two dimension. Oh, sorry. Need to dimension it here. This is going to be your 30 mm. The axis is 55, and the angle of inclination was given with respect to the vertical plane, and it was 45 degree. Yes, that was 45 degree. Hence your question number 26 is completed.
So this is the solution of a triangular prism resting on its face on HP and inclined to VP.